guys, if you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to make my simple, easy, and delicious creamy Tuscan chicken. For my creamy Tuscan chicken, you will need 4 chicken breasts, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of minced dried tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 cup of diced tomatoes, 1/2 cup of diced onions, 2 cups of a heavy whipping cream, 1/2 cup of a shredded parmesan, 4 ounces of spinach, oil for frying, and salt and pepper to taste. The first thing I'm going to do is to put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet, and I'm going to turn that to medium heat and bring that up to temperature. While I am waiting for my skillet to come to temperature, I want to salt and pepper this side of the chicken. Now that my skillet is hot, I am going to put the seasoned side of the chicken into my skillet. I'm going to put all 4 pieces in my skillet. Now I am going to salt and pepper this side of the chicken. And I will let this cook for about 7 minutes on this side. Now that it's been about 7 minutes, I will turn my chicken breast and I will cook them on this side for about 7 to 10 minutes also. These have been cooking for about 7 minutes on this side. I will take them out of my skillet, let them rest on a plate, and then we will make our sauce. Now that my chicken is out of my skillet, I will add my butter, and I am going to let that melt. Now that my butter is melted, I will add my garlic and my onions into the skillet, and I'm going to saute this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now that my onion and garlic has sauteed for about a minute, I'm going to add my tomatoes and my sun-dried tomatoes into my skillet, and I am going to saute this for about 3 minutes. At this point, you want to sprinkle your Italian seasoning all over the tomato ingredient and mix that well. Let the fresh tomatoes have kind of melted into the sauce, we will add our heavy whipping cream. And we want to let this simmer until it slightly thickens. Now that my sauce has thickened slightly, I am going to start to add all my spinach into my sauce. And we want to mix this well and incorporate it all the way through the sauce. Now we want to stir this once in a while for about 2 to 3 minutes until the spinach wilts. Now that the spinach is slightly wilted, I will add my shredded Parmesan cheese into my sauce, and I want to mix that well, and you will stir continuously until the Parmesan cheese is fully melted. Now that my Parmesan cheese is melted, I will put the chicken back into the sauce. And I'm going to let this chicken cook in the sauce for about 5 minutes. My chicken has been simmering in my sauce for about 5 minutes. It is time to plate. I prepared my creamy Tuscan chicken with a salad and some garlic bread. If you are tasting Italian but you don't have all day to spend in the kitchen, you should give this recipe a try. You'll love it, I guarantee it. If you like this video or like the content in this video, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, comment down below what you want to see me cook next, and don't forget to share this video with your friend.